Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I have brought the scare bob haircut for you. A scare bob haircut was popular in 80s and is making a comeback. It is typically jaw length. A scare bob haircut is a bob that's cut between the ears and just above the shoulders. Take a look through these inspiring pictures of popular scare bob haircuts and hairstyles. A scare bob is a jaw-length bob haircut that grazes the jaw-line area. It looks cute in a low bun or a claw clip. If your hair is straight and fine, it's one of the best haircut to create texture and movement. And at the same time keep it classy, simple and beautiful. Some people may find this length of bob hard to come up with diverse styling option and get stuck in the trap of it's too short, I can't do anything but just leave it straight. Not the case. Take a look at these styles for a little inspiration. I have found that bob haircut are very versatile and you can create the perfect cut for any hair type. It even fun to wear with effortless ways, creating a trendy and flirty look. A scare bob haircut is a timeless style that best for any face shape. Your bob can be customized to your hair type and texture for the perfect just for you. If you want to know about more haircuts and hairstyles, then subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology and stay blessed. Thank you for watching my videos.